Good morning. Today we are going to discuss Module 4, some part of the feasibility analysis. In last video, we have discussed about feasibility. Feasibility is nothing but the viability of doing anything, any part of life, whatever it is. It is starting a new business or any other job. So, if we come to feasibility alone, if we discuss viability, that comes to pre-setup, means pre-launch. You should do something, you should think about, about development of new idea generations and its feasibility in terms of various factors of how exactly my idea generations to have a new product or new project or invention or something that will be working out with the marketing, financial, mainly. That we have to do, and for that we have to do something planning also. So those viability and feasibility, those things we always, then if we start the business and we do some setup process like infrastructure, machinery, devices and land, etc., whatever we are bringing, providing in the infrastructure, all sort of things that we have to do during setup. So there itself, while we are doing, before doing it, again we have to think about whether the power is required. So many machines are there, so many computers are there, so many devices are there, then how much power is required? That analysis for the power we have to do. If you don't do that analysis in terms of infrastructure setup of this particular requirement, definitely it may happen once you install the machines and it is getting tripped, power is getting tripped, disturbances, and it will affect on your production, as well as the maybe sometimes penalty from the respective department. Why you are using so much power? It is affecting to the other grid, is affecting to the grid. So these things comes in part of setup. Also, this after setup we do post setup. We have done all infrastructure, we have brought the machines from abroad or local, orders, everything we have done, and setup is over. Then some part of the parameters of feasibility we discussed. We have, before starting launching, we have to do many things. Whether we have brought the material to start working on the devices and to make the product, whether we have sufficient, whether roles and responsibility are given, assigned to the respective people to do the job, or whatever it is. Whether we are having the route is being selected, from which route it is being going to be, to be run in the city, the buses to be run. Many things like this we have to do, so that in terms of facility, in terms of account, in terms of administration, in terms of management, in terms of those things. But whereas we have to think about while we are doing setup, that time itself, initially we have to do viability, feasibility, every respect of the political, legal, social, everything. Whether the STP, you are using a chemical plant and you are wastage of the chemicals, you cannot throw out to the road or to the land. That to be that to be, you should say that to be maintained with STP, sewage treatment plant, so that, okay, the good water you can put to the garden or some other, or to the drainage system, but you cannot spoil the river, you cannot spoil the land, you cannot spoil the polished air, you cannot spoil the underground uh, water and land. It may create many problems in terms of, okay, health, etc. So once we come to this part, analysis, when we need to analyze to be done, that thing we should know with respect to of the marketing, financial, political, technical, legal, social, everything we have to do. When analysis has to be done, it is not like we started the job and then we are coming to know, oh, this has been missed out. That should not happen. If you are doing proper analysis with respect to various parameters, definitely whatever the problem you are will be carrying in the middle or hidden problem point, maybe you will come to know, and you definitely will solve the problem if it comes also. Okay. So this is, and another thing is we have to think about, see, marketing concept of the marketing analysis, okay, feasibility of marketing analysis is very important. I tell you, anything you do, you can understand that when we are releasing the movie, producer, director, they are releasing the movie, they want first few days they should do maximum business. At least they will boost your moral, it will boost your confidence. Okay, whatever the expenditure is done, it has come out within a week time of the, okay, launching the movie. So this way, on generally people are doing on the occasion of the holidays, festival, etc. The crowd will go to enjoy the things. They go along with the family and they see the movie. So those things, it will marketing in terms of return, where to do, when to be done, how to be done. This marketing and time is very important. Okay, and the areas and the nature of the marketing, what we have to follow, that to be done. I always say this is a very important feature of the feasibility analysis of any venture, any new venture or new enterprise or a startup. So you have to do, it may happen if you earlier break off even to get the revenue and money, definitely it will give us boost, it will give us confidence, it will give us all the people who is working, okay, admin, management, even workers, everybody, oh, we have done so much business. And of course, the people who are working, we have to pay them salary. If we have revenue, if we have circulations is there, rotations is there, definitely you will feel. And one more thing, it is very important, revenue makes everything. Money is required to run the business. Okay, how long this type of sales and revenue back profit is required? It is not like how long we can use capital amount which is being sanctioned by the people. Maybe for maximum you can use for few months, but later on that will be completed. Then you have to pay your salaries and other things for the employees from the earning process. Next, finance already interrelated with the marketing. If you have good marketing, you have good sales, you have good revenue, turnover, everything, then definitely finance will be getting finance. Okay, will be getting money, will be getting, okay, if it is export oriented, if it is, okay, you are having a unit, export oriented, you are getting in dollars, you are getting in other pounds, definitely it will give us the money, and that we can plan further for that. Okay. Sometimes we have to think about political. Political is very important. I have told last video also. See, it may happen, it happened during Corona time, when the China, some company invested in HDFC without taking approval from the government. And it was not there that time. But the people are opportunists. And people say that China's government is opportunist, and those people are opportunists. They are thought that now it is a slowdown of the Indian market due to lockdown, etc. So they have invested in HDFC. But government came to know this idea, oh, this is the time they want to capture the market of India. They have put one clause, no, any investing even in any money in the company of India by foreigners, they should take pre-approval of the government. Got it? So this is the things, it has changed politics. It is based on country politics, how exactly to be done. Okay? Maybe you are dealing with the person and that dealers is not doing the fair business. So it may happen those particular business doing with this, your image, or you may be coming into the picture, you may land to the problem. So we have to think about. So technical also, I told, whether machines to be imported from the abroad, locals, or you want only assembly to be done for the product which is going to be launched, like Nokia, they were not having initially any production unit. They were fantastic subcontract dealers, whether they are giving MOU with the people, every part of the mobile, they were subcontracted, and then they are getting material and they are only doing the assembly unit, they were having it. Such a good company, which you can say parent company in mobile technology, that the first, everybody wants to have a mobile, Nokia mobile once upon a time. So what exactly I want to tell you, this is we have to do, whether technical related things, what machines, what to be done, which software we need, what is ERP software we need, B2B, B2C, or any other software to be customizations or automations to be done, whether it's required personal computers, mini computers, Unix computer, mainframe, all together we have to think about. Okay. So next we go for, this is the part where we are so I told already the feasibility analysis has to be done mainly setup and post setup. Okay. It is not to be done in pre-setup. Analysis can be done with something happen. Analysis can be not done without data. Analysis cannot be done without the resource source. You can violate. Feasibility you can do. You can viability you can think about. You can plan about. But analysis cannot be done without data which available to you. So survey, whether you have done proper survey before starting any business, and on that survey of the data where the market is feasible or not to launch the product in right now or not. In this regard, I tell you, I come on across one incident. I have taken my grinder to be repaired, one shop in Chickpet, and the dealers from where we have brought, I went there and hand grinder. When I went over there, before I entered to the door, immediately one person came, ki boss is calling you. How come I'm not, they were knowing it, I'm so and so, maybe through friends, okay. They called me and they told me, Mr. Tiwari, we know you are working in a software industry. You are having knowledge of training center. You are having knowledge of running training centers and other things. Would like to have some idea. Few months ago, we have started our training center, and the person, they called one person, he was a Sardarji. He came over there, we just say hello in Punjabi and say what he said. owner of that, you can say shop or whatever it is, he told, we invested already 40 lakhs rupees in this particular training center. What you advise? That type of things is known as feasibility. What you advise? They have not done the viability and feasibility before starting the training center. But once it is being started, during setup, during launching, I went, they were having some idea, some news, this is a slowdown, recession is going on, and that is a case of 2000 where everything was getting closed almost after Y2K, year 2000, there were a lot of slowdown was there, and then finally they asked me, I advise, see, if I say true things, this is not the right time. See, no good movie, no movie is being released in Corona time. Why? The reason is the malls was and theater was closed. Even if it is open now also, people are not having the things. They are not going to see the movie. So this is the things we have to know, that when to be released, what the time. So I told, no, this is not the time. Most of the AppTech, NIT, others, even my computer center also, I was about to, you can say, winding up. So that the part we have done 2000, then why you start? You know what has happened? They have saved lakhs of rupees. They have invested 40 lakhs, but they have saved lakhs of rupees which they are going to incur the loss afterwards. So this happened. We have to do survey, we have to do knowledge all over, friends, Google, survey. Now it's Google. Before it was the people are consultant. The people are having background of that particular business. We should know, we should take their advices and other things. Generally people say, before investing one rupee, you have to think twice. Before telling it something, take out the word, think about more than a minute, or should not be Atal Bhai Bajpayee, but you should say that we have to be slowly. In olden days, everybody takes time. Even our Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, they were taking time. But before, when they were young, they were very good speaker. So what I mean to say, you have to timely, you have to survey and do the research about your investment. And this is to be done, set up and post setup. It provides the goal of identity and exciting strength and the weakness of the project. The starting of the project analysis is the method of screening project ideas as well as means of evaluating a project feasibility, mainly in terms of market, economical, social growth and development analysis. So this is the thing. Next, I go a little bit detail now. If we come out types of feasibility in terms of only 4 I have taken in this particular slide. Marketing. This relate, if we come to marketing, only 3 points I have taken as a consumer preferences. What is your customer preference? What is whether your target customer, if you are manufacturing one unit to manufacture the sleeper, plastic sleeper, whether targeting the people, poor background people, less than 40, if it is less than 40 rupees, government is giving subsidy, no tax on that. And the mass volume people wear 1 week and throw out. So you have to think about what type of customer you are having, you are targeting. Nature of competition, whether you want, how exactly to be competitive with existing people who are doing same type of business. You have to think about. And that things, you have to see that, I tell you, nature of competition, if it comes, I tell you one story, please mind it. See, please listen it. Once, once upon a time, okay, already Airtel and other company, they were in mobile technology. But Reliance and Tata, they came into the market with CDMA latest technology, and Bharti Mobile, which is Airtel parent company, Mittal, he was the director, was the founder of that. He called all the directors of India level and he told what to do, how to move. These two gained are having money power. They are coming with the latest technology of the mobile technology of CDMA technology based mobile. What to do? He told, they thought customer point of view. They thought consumer point of view, that if we satisfy customer, whomever is coming to the market will be having good command onto the market, and that has happened. They told, we'll make connectivity, we'll put more towers, but connectivity will not be a problem. And that is the reason today, if somebody says you want connectivity, go for Airtel. And later on, you know that these two companies, they force back to manufacturers doing the service provider on GSM technology mobile also. So that is the way we have to do competition, how exactly we have to do the business. Potential aggregate demand. We have to think about potential aggregate demand. Okay. Where the demand is, I told movie how to be released during that time, the festival time. Like, okay. So we have to think about where the demand nowadays in the city, mostly people go for malls to purchase one place only. So like I told, Lal Sweet and other thing manufacturer, he doesn't have any showroom, no shop. He is manufacturing somewhere, go down there, he is direct dealing to the malls. He is dumping the sweets boxes with a good margin to the people, and only that type of network he is only taking care. No online. Maybe now they would have introduced online, but he was doing only through malls, big malls and showrooms. Financial outlay of fixed asset. Anything during the setup time, build infrastructures, machinery, devices, all together, this is known as expenditure. Fixed, one-time investment is fixed asset. That to be, we have to make outlay of that. We have to make, okay, plan for that. Current assets, working capital, short and long-term finance, bills. Current assets, you know what is the working capital. We are having on hand stock, working capital for salaries and etc. to be, we need the capital. Sometimes bank people, they give working capital loan also. Short and long term finance, we have to think about. If something crisis come, lockdown is happen, people who are working there, they should get salary in time. That time is, we have to finance, we have to make the finance reserve for this type of things. We have to think about bills, outstanding bills which we are having, and that to be included. If it is taking time and we have to buy the material, we cannot wait to circulate, to rotate our business. We have to buy the material and we have to make the finished goods. We should not depend on the bills which we are getting it. So we have to surplus to be kept, we have to keep that. Technical. Scale of operations, what type of scale of operation we need, what devices, computers, all together we need. Manufacturing process, what are the manufacturing process we need. Mainly I can say one lathe, how many people will be working, what is their shift, etc. Plant and machinery, what we are buying and other things, what type of machinery, costly item or mass production machinery we have to buy, whatever it is. Based on cost, everything you can bear. Plant layout, work schedule important for everyone. And that is must to be defined black and white. Everything should be defined. Political. I told already, political, this is the background where sometimes you are getting the subsidy, but due to some political interventions or any other problems, the subsidy has been closed down. The margin of your sales, margin of your business, they may come down. So these are things. Thank you. We'll go for other types of feasibility next video. Thank you so much. This is